Hi, this is the Maths with Adam, and today we will talk about the prime numbers and the highest common factor and the lowest common multiple. So, prime number. A number is a prime number if it has exactly two factors, one and the number itself. If a number not a prime number, then it's a composite number. It means a composite number has more than two factors. The one, it's not a prime or a composite number. The first problem. So this will be what we need to know. Okay, so prime number, if it has two factors, one and the number itself. If a number not a prime number, it's a composite number, and the one, it's not prime or a composite number. So what will be the first prime number? The first prime number is the 2, because it has two factors, 1 and the 2. How many, other problem, how many odd prime numbers are between 20 and 40? Odd prime number. The first prime number, the 2, it's an even number, but after that we have just odd prime numbers, because if we can divide something by 2, example 10, it will be a composite number. So, how many prime numbers are between 20 and 40? The easiest way to find this number, if we are start imaging the multiplication table, and if we cannot see a number in this multiplication table in our head, then it will be a prime number, and it's 100% it will be an odd prime. So 20 and 40, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, and 38, 39. These are the prime numbers between 20 and 40. I will check again. Yes, these are. Yes, okay. Prime factors. Prime factors of a number that are also primes. We will break this number, the odd numbers, into the composite numbers into prime numbers. So every composite whole number can be break and written as a product of prime number, product answer of the multiplication. Example, 12 equal 4 times 3, and we can open the 4, break the 4 into 2 times 2, so 2 times 2 times 3. Okay, and we will write like this, 2 to the second power times 3. Okay, so we will break the numbers, the composite numbers, into prime numbers, and we will multiply these prime numbers. How can we do this? Well, we have many methods. The first method that I will use is the factor prime factors tree. So it's mean we will start basically divide these numbers with prime numbers. So first I will divide by 5. 5 times something, it's 40, so it needs to be 8. Sorry, I will not. 2 times 4, and 4 is 2 times 2. So as you can see, it's like a tree basically. Okay, it's like a root system, and I just use a line to sign the prime numbers. So the 40 will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. So it will be 2 to the 3 times 5. Okay, so this will be the prime factor form. Also, it's an index form, but right now it's not so important. Other method, it will be the same, but we will divide like this. So I will divide the 48 by 2, and I just will write the answer next to the line. Okay, so it's this line basically mean divide by 2, and I write here the answer, and I will continue the division. 2, it's 12 by 2, it's 6, 3, 2, 2, 1. And I put in a box the 1 because we will finish here the division. So I divided by 2, wrote the answer here. Divided by 2, answer. Divided by 2, answer. Divided by a prime, answer. Divided by a prime, answer. Okay, not just the 2. I can write here, I started with the 2. Of course, you can write like this, so you write the prime numbers on the left side of the line, also possible. In Hungary, we teach like this. In Hungary, we don't use this one. I met with this in other country, so it was really useful because it's really easy, and we can just sign the numbers, And from this, 48 equal 2 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 to the number 4, power of 4 times 3, and 120. I will use the same method because I don't have too much place to use the factor 3, but later I will use the factor 3. I will divide by 5, so it will be 24. I divide by 2, 12, 2, 6, 3, 2, 2, 1. Okay. So I will just drop this here, yes, and I will just write the index form. If you need, you can write 2 times 2 times 3, 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5, but it's 2 to the power 3 times 3 times 5. Yes, okay. Next one, we can search with this prime factor form the highest common factor and the lowest common multiple. Find the 120 and the 72 highest common factor and the lowest common multiple. Okay, so I will use the factor 3 just for the practice. 5, 24, I will use a 6 and the 4. It's prime. 2 and 3, they are primes, 2 times 2. And the 72. 72. I can divide this by 6. It's 12. 6, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2. Never mind. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 times 3, it's 12, times 6, it's 72. Okay, I just checked my work also here. So 120 equal 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. You will see why I wrote like this, not in a closed form. 72 equal 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So the highest common factor will be the number that can divide the 72 and the 120. So basically the common factors from here. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. This number in the 120 and the 72, so it's basically will be the 24. Yes, 6 times 2 is 12 and it's 24 exactly. Okay, but we can search this number. We will do a Venn diagram. So basically two sets, 120 and the 72. And I will write here the product of the numbers. So the common number we will write in the intersection area. 2, 2, 2, and 3. 5 will come here, and 3 will come here. So if I multiply this number, I will get back the 72. If I multiply this number, I will get back the 120. From this, the lowest common multiple, highest common factor first, highest common factor will be the area of the intersection. Okay, so this area. So intersection area, I will write like this. Intersection area. So right now it will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 3. And the lowest common multiple, lowest common multiple will be the union of the two set. So basically every number in the what you can find in the Venn diagram, on the Venn diagram. So 5 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. If we multiply this number, it will be 10. I will just use this. 10, 20, 40, 120, and 120 times 3, it's 360. So the 360, the first number, what I can divide by the 120 and the 72. Okay, so, and this will be every number on the diagram, or in the diagram. Okay, never mind. So, but we have another method. This is the easiest method. But if we write the index form, 2 to the power 3 times 3 times 5, and it will be 2 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 2. Okay, so the highest common factor, will be the common numbers on the lowest index, lowest power. Okay, so here the 3 to the power on the power 1. So it means the common numbers 2, 2, 3, 3. The 2 has the third power here and here, so it will be 2 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 2 and 1. So it's the 1 will be the lower power. Okay, so 2 to the power 3 times 3 to the power 1. It will be the highest common factor. So basically the intersection area. Okay, the common numbers here. And the highest lowest common multiple, it will be you write down every number from here. So 2, 3, 5, we multiply them, and on the highest factor. Okay, so basically every number here in the Venn diagram, on the Venn diagram. Use this one. I advise this because it's really easy. You don't need to learn that, yeah, highest common factor, every highest common factor, the common number on the lowest power. You can just intersection here and every number here. Highest common, lowest common multiple, it will be every number on the highest power. No, just every number from here. Much easier. Yes, it's a little bit much work, but you will definitely not make mistakes. Okay, that's for today, and see you in the next video. We will work with the positive and negative numbers.